Hi! In front of me is Nokia X10 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, open two apps in the background. I will go with Chrome and Play Store. Then tap on the square button at the bottom right corner and tap on the icon of your app that you wish to use in the top half of split screen view. I will go with Play Store. Now you need to click on split screen, tap on the other app, and as you can see after that, I can use both at the same time. In order to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. But you can also just open one of your apps in the background, click on the square button, click on the icon of it, choose split screen and then tap on one of your apps from home screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!